Hey everybody, Crystal here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a little photo shoot with my friend Alexis and Barakisa. So I'm going to show you guys a little behind the scenes while I'm shooting today. The shoot today is for Barakisa's Facebook and her Instagram. She's a dancer. She does traditional West African dance, and I think she does some modern stuff too. So yeah, we're just taking some pictures for her brand to kind of capture her dancing and the overall essence of what she does. We're at a place called Haley Plantation. It's a very eerie place. It's an old slave plantation in Gainesville, Florida. We weren't really liking the vibe, but it's a beautiful landscape, and it kind of gave me like a wide, open, nice feel that I was going for Barakisa's picture. So it was kind of nice to find a place that was nice and open for her. But this first spot that we were at was giving me a lot of trouble because the direction of the sunlight, as you guys can see, is at her right side. And it just made it very hard to get some nice light on her face. But I really wanted to catch like the nice open land behind her. If I had turned her a little bit towards the light, then I would have gotten too much trees in the background. So we kind of took some time to figure out exactly how we were going to tackle that issue. You can see a little better from this angle what I was talking about in terms of the open background. So that's what I really wanted to capture, but there's too much shadow on her face, and we did try to turn her around, but I just really wasn't liking it. So we had to find somewhere else to move to. But before we did, we got in some barrel turns. So we got some cool shots of Barakisa doing some barrel turns. They tried to teach me back when I was dancing in college, but I couldn't catch it. This second location was really, really nice because the way the sun was coming in really like brightened up her face and the red that she's wearing, while everything else around her stayed pretty dark. You can't really see it right now because the clip that Alexis is recording on is pretty bright, but on camera you can see a little bit that it's just really glowing on her only and highlighting her only. The shots taken at this location was my absolute favorite because it was the perfect balance between the sunlight and the direction of the hills and the mountains. So we got some really nice shots. I cannot wait to edit these pictures and show you guys exactly how they came out. So we just finished our first outfit, our first location, and we're about to head to the second one. How was it, guys? It was cool, right?
Yes, it was beautiful. The lighting, It's such a beautiful day.
Yeah, it's really stunning. We're at a place called Haley Plantation. It's very eerie. We're the only Negroes on here, from what I can see.
This is Get Out 2.0.
Right. But the place is beautiful. Who knew I put the new 4Gs on the Jeep? I tap into the bloody bottoms is underneath, cause all my niggas got it on the streets.
Yes,
Now at this new location, this is a spot we came before when we took some pictures for Alexis, and they came out really stunning. So we tried it with Barakisa having on the same outfit because the red just really, really popped in those last pictures. So we wanted to see how it would come out here. So we're kind of just playing around with it, but I don't have a flash. That's just not something I own, and I keep thinking maybe I should just buy a flash again. But I really like to keep my photography minimal, guys. But yeah, I feel like I might need one for shots like this. This was another area that we tried out, but I really wasn't feeling it. And some insect ended up flying down my throat. So yeah, let's just go to the next clip.
Videos.
So we just made this little bouquet. Got these flowers at Dollar Tree earlier. And we have a calabash at the bottom. Let me see. Can you hold it out? So this is what our little bouquet looks like.
Okay.
Bless you.
Thank you.
We're kind of gonna have Barakisa hold it up on her head like this. Oh, she can look like she's watering them, like watering the flowers. Okay.
That would be nice.
Yeah. In this scene, we're really going for a more traditional vibe. So as you can see, we're in the river. Barakisa has on a more traditional outfit. She has some cowries on her wrist. And we got the calabash vibe going on. Ah, I love it.
That's beautiful.
Yeah. We're really just channeling a more traditional but also peaceful and an African vibe. A beer mosquito did the right here, so though. And the water did cold. Oh, I know we kind of look calm, but this location was actually a struggle because of the environment, but we made it work, and these pictures came out sick. Yeah, again, you guys watch the next video while I'm editing these so you can see how they turned out. Oh my god, yeah. Our final location of the day is going to be somewhere more urban. Lisa got her outfit on.
You good?
It's a little bit of a walk to get where we're going. And we have to park down here because of parking. Each location that we came to worked out really well. You'll never really know when you're scouting for a location exactly how things might be the day that you go to shoot. You can only hope for the best, but things worked out really well. I honestly feel like pictures from each location, they are competing with each other for the top, like the best picture of the day. And it will really be up to you guys to decide which is the best. We got a very full picture of who Barakisa is, her dance, her style, her culture. It's important when you're doing these shoots too to understand exactly who you're shooting and what their personality is and like what you really want to capture, what you want people to know about this person. Barakisa, she's a dancer, so she essentially is an entertainer, so people have to be able to connect like with that fun and vibrant energy when they look at her pictures. And she's also like a very fashionable person. You guys can see from how she dresses, she has very nice clothes and she's just clean and nice, and people have to be able to relate all of that. I am so happy with how the pictures turned out. It looked really good, especially the one in this location. So the DNA shape. So we're about to get some breakfast. Well, it's like almost after 1 now, I think. So it's really lunch. We're gonna get some food and chill out for the rest of the day. So here's a little preview. Not gonna give y'all too much. A little preview of how some of these pictures came out. It is almost time to eat, you guys. So I'm gonna catch you in the next video while we eat some food. Later, guys.